Time now for this hour's car review. I drove the 2024 Nissan Frontier. It comes in these trim levels: S, SV, Pro-X, SL, and Pro-4X. I drove the Pro-4X Crew Cab 4x4 automatic V6. This is considered by your U.S. government a standard pickup truck. Now, in our world, it's either a compact or a midsize, depending on your nomenclature for such a thing. I particularly gravitate toward this size pickup truck. Comes in 2 cabs and 2 beds that are available. Seats up to 5, including the driver. Exterior changes from last model year. This was all new design in 2022. Now, what is really cool this year, they offer a hard body appearance package. It offers that 80s and 90s hard body Nissan Frontier look
styling.
about it. And it's really cool. Exterior features for this particular model that I had: sharp-looking front fascia with high-mounted squinty headlights, blacked-out grille with integrated skid plate, black wheel opening extensions, body-colored rear bumper adds to the upscale look. That is, body-colored. In other words, they painted it. What I like, the overall body design gets high marks. Lower red front tow hooks are included. What could use improvement? Smaller wheels and bigger, fatter tires. That's what I would do.
It's your choice. Yeah.
Interior highlights: simple, straightforward dash design, built-in square infotainment screen with HVAC controls that has its own panel beneath that infotainment screen. Passive phone charger with a forward storage tray on the center console. Optional leather seats with special Pro-4X embossing. What I liked: simple, easy-to-use controls. What could use improvement? Hard seating surface and lots of plastic paneling. That could use improvement, but remember, this is an off-roader, so they like to make these things in the off-road way, which
tougher,
is like, put the hose in there and wash it out. Heavily weighted steering. It's an issue. It's the first thing I noticed. You may like heavily weighted steering. I think it's just a little bit too much. That's me. In other words, it's almost as if it's a cross between power steering and no power steering, manual steering. 3.8-liter V6 turns out 310 horsepower, 281 pound-feet of torque. Shift-on-the-fly four-wheel drive system, 2-speed transfer case, 9-speed automatic transmission. Tow rating is 6,100 pounds. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Payload, 1,220. It's almost like a regular half-ton pickup truck. Miles per gallon in the city, 18. 22 on the highway for a combined of 19. I got 20.2 over 321 miles, most of that on the freeway. What I liked about it, the 17-inch beadlock alloys with those off-road tires on it. I think that looked really good. What could use improvement? I would like to offer that they offer a high-output 4-banger engine in it. Because I know that there are 4-banger engines that turn out 300-plus horsepower. I know it can be done. I'd like to see that as an option. What I liked about the ride and handling, love those Bilstein off-road shocks. They work good on the road, too. I've got lots of travel in it, and it just is really a nice ride to it. What could use improvement in the ride and handling category? Nothing. Okay, here's the pricing on this. The base trim price is $39,300. The price as tested, all loaded up, $47,630. That's a lot of money. Base model price, you can get in one of these for $31,330. Competitors, and I'm going to give you the base price for these competitors. The Ford Ranger at $32,565. The Toyota Tacoma starts at $29,430, and the Chevy Colorado starts at $29,500. So they're all within a couple $1,000s in the start-off price.
Yeah.
So that's my review of the 2024 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X.
I like the color. The green that you had was nice.
I did too.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm not a green kind of guy, but I did.
No, but it's kind of
it's off-roady.
Yeah, but it's not a
roady.
look at me, I'm green color.
Technical term.
And it's not an army green.
It's not fluorescent.
Yeah, and it's kind of in between from.
It just works with this vehicle.
It does.
They
real
did,
well.
They did a good job on that. So thank you, Steve Parrott at Nissan, for loaning me the vehicle, which, by the way, I had to get his permission to get it.
Oh, wow.
So I just couldn't go through Alba, our normal source. So I called Steve. Steve, come on.
Yeah, I got to send him some information too.
Yeah. So at any rate, we got it. It's good. It's good.
Gooder.
And really did enjoy it.